Hey, good afternoon, everyone. It's Michael Simpson here, the founder and senior instructor with the National Commercial Real Estate Association with you here today. And I am so excited because we are finally announcing that we are sharing some information on this amazing new opportunity that's opening up for Resimercial real estate agents out there, as well as commercial real estate agents that are out there. We've been working on this, gosh, for probably a year and a half, maybe 2 years, and we're just putting the finishing touches on all this. We'll have all the details out to you here in the next upcoming week. So get ready because it's coming finally. Make sure you follow us on our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you check that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the details that are coming out, because this is going to be wonderful. So get ready, it's coming. Thanks for watching. We appreciate your time very much, and make it a great day.